In today's video, I'll walk you through Rayon.design architecture tutorial for beginners. We will go through a project to show you exactly why Rayon.design is the choice for architects who value speed and simplicity. So if you click the first link in the description, a page similar to this will open up for you. And what I want you to do is to sign up for Rayon for absolutely free. So if you go right here and then open an account, you will see that there will be a few options where you can either create your own canvas with Rayon or use one of the hundreds of templates that Rayon offers, which allows you to instantly make an aesthetically pleasing drawing just because everything has already been set up for you. Now for this video, we'll go through this template right here, which is a house on the hill. And as you can see, everything looks perfectly fine out here. Now what you can see here in Rayon is that over here at the right you can see most of the important properties, basically the name of the canvas, the grids, the centimeters, so basically the type of units that you're using, or even the stroke scale. Here on the left you can find the layers, so you can find layers for like site analysis, you can find layers for annotations, images, and everything else. That way you can keep all of the drawings organized. And right here at the bottom is where we can draw like walls, openings, zones. We can even draw lines or rectangle guidelines. We can either add dimensions or annotations, tags, and all of that, and even more transformation tools like trim, blocks, grouping, ungrouping, and everything else. Here in Rayon, you can add PDFs, images, or even drawings, DWG files automatically and basically transform them to Rayon. So if I go here at the menu, I can click import PDF, and then I'm gonna go ahead and import a small floor plan of a small hotel that we have here. So now we have this as a vector, as a DWG, but in Rayon we can do this a lot quicker. And here in Rayon we can just go at wall. We can click once for the starting point. We can also change the alignment. So as you can see now it's drawing from the outside, but we want it from the inside. We can change the thickness to something like 30 here. Let's click enter, and as you can see now we can draw something like this. Let's make it 25 centimeters, and in just one click you can see that it will create the walls super easily. And more so than everything, it just allows us to add properties and openings to this a lot easier than any other software out there. So these will be the exterior walls here, and what we can do is we can go ahead and use another type of fill. And we can either add like a solid, something like this, or if you want to go even a step further to make it even better in terms of aesthetics, we can add something like a texture or like a hatch, probably something like an oblique grid. And then we can also transform these hatches super easily by changing the scale here to something like 0.2 or anything similar to this. Now this would be useful if you were using if we had like a full concrete wall. In this instance, I think I'm just going to go ahead and keep it as a light gray. Now, let's say we actually want to add openings to where the actual windows are. Now, we can do that super easily. We can either go here at opening, and this could be a door, or we can also change it to another block. We can go here at libraries and just type in a window. We can choose something like this. We can select it, and then if we just click once, it will automatically be added onto our wall. We can also change the scale and the size of it, and we can do that also for doors, any type of other openings. Now, talking about blocks, one of the biggest leverages of time and simplicity that Rayon has is that if you go here at blocks, you can basically go to libraries, and then we can go and type in something like bedroom. And now we'll have a bunch of different bedroom blocks where we do not have to draw everything ourselves. We can basically just drag and drop this onto our room, and in just a second you can see that now we have a block. Now we can even go ahead and basically optimize these even further. We can move these separately, that way they are better spread out here. Now something else which is also very cool here in Rayon is that we can also use zones. So if you have an enclosed area, so for example this room, we can just click once and this will be a zone. And what this will do is it will add a hatch, for example, to this room, which we can also change the fill off. So we can go for something like a herringbone flooring. We can also change its stroke. So we can go for something like a darker brown. We can also change the fill of it. So we can make this a lighter brown as well. So we can keep the flooring something like this. We can also change the scale of it. We can make it bigger, so 1.8. Yeah, we can keep it something like this. Now, as you can see, this will automatically show for us the square footage of this area. And what we can do is we can also add other type of metadata. So we can add a property. For example, this could be price. And then we can say that this would cost us, for example, 24 euros per square meter. And then why this is super useful is that if we add other zones to all of these, something like this, we can go to table and we can add the properties like area, and we can also add the properties like price, like we did earlier. And now you can see we have zone 15, zone 1. We can also just add a filter here. We can also just group them by zones. So for example, this would be a total of 76 square meters. So as you can see, you can add all the properties, add the metadata, and then they will be shown up here at the table. And then this, we can obviously calculate all of the square footage, square meters, and also the price, which can also be exported onto an Excel sheet. So we can also add dimensions pretty easily here in Rayon. We can go here, add the dimension, and then we can add one dimension one by one, or we can also have chain dimensions. So we can add one like this, and then we can choose this one, then this one, and then for all of the dimensions, we can also make changes in terms of how it's represented. We can use these type of lines and also these type of lines like this. We can also change the size of it, like 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, and that's kind of it in terms of how you can add dimensions. Something else very cool is that Rayon is perfect if you're collaborating with your team and have a type of structure of who draws, who does feedback, and all of that, because you can basically go here and you can annotate in Rayon by clicking this out right here, and you can click annotate. So for example, we can go ahead and draw on top of this and add, for example, some exclamation marks. We can click done, and then this we can add as a comment, make door larger, or try to flip it. And then once you can share the actual file with someone else, they will be able to see all of your comments, resolve them, comment back, or anything like that. So collaboration is super easy. Now the other thing with Rayon is that it is super easy to create pages. You can basically just go here at pages and then create a new page, and then you can also choose the type of format that you want for the page, the size, and everything like that. So we can choose this, and then we can move it, for example, onto our drawing here. And then once you add a page, it will be added here at the basically section where the pages are added. Now we can export these one by one if you want a particular one as a PDF or as a PNG, or we can export all of these together like this, and it will kind of look like a flip book, which is super useful. And as you can see how well represented in terms of graphics these are in Rayon. Now if you want to share your file with other team members, you can add them here by email, or if you want to share it with a client who you only want to view it and not actually have access to edit the file, you can basically go here at the presentation, you can copy the link, and then through that link this will look kind of like basically a flip book, where you can go ahead and explore it super easily, just like this. So it offers everything you would need to draw faster, simpler, and share your designs with all stakeholders. And the best part about this is that it's totally web hosted, so you do not need a high-end computer to access this or use it. And you can learn this in just a few hours because it is very simple. And then obviously you can dive in deeper as you go and explore even more tools. Now, if you want to create beautiful drawings like these and elevate your architectural drawings forever, you can go ahead and click the first link in the description and sign up for Rayon right now. And if you want to see me compare Rayon to a traditional CAD tool like AutoCAD, watch the video right here.